Hello, everybody. My name is Billy. Today we have two gorgeous G-SHOCK to compare. If you are new here, welcome. Now we have more than 1,000 videos on our channel. But if what you're looking for is not there, you can subscribe to get information if the video you're looking for is available. Basically both of these watch models are taken from the same model, GW-B5600. But with the $30 difference price, should you buy the special edition? Or the regular one? The GW-B5600Gz, which looks more colorful, is a collaboration series between G-SHOCK and the world-famous virtual band Gorillaz. The colors of this model are inspired by the hues of Gorillaz' latest album called Now Now. A combination of pop blue and pink are incorporated into the design. Meanwhile, the GW-B5600AR series is the regular model, which is currently very popular. It's simply because this model is pretty cheap, powerful, and has a great combination of colors, which are black and red. There is no difference in the physical design and features of the two models. But the Gorillaz model is of course very limited in production. So it will be more valuable. Meanwhile, the black and red color combination on the GW-B5600AR is considered very attractive to everyone. Just look at this Gorillaz logo in the title of their Now album, which is printed on the resin band. Isn't that cool? Meanwhile, the buckle is finished with black ion plated. But the real question here is, do you dare to wear a watch with the pink color theme? On the other hand, GW-B5600AR has a color that many people are sure to love, black. In fact, this Gorillaz collaboration model has been discontinued, but some stores still have it. So you have to hurry if you still want this watch as your friend. But if you feel more comfortable with a watch in neutral colors, the GW-B5600AR can be your choice. As a limited edition product, of course GW-B5600Gz has the product differentiation. For example, the bicolor message now floats onto the display, whenever it is illuminated with a backlight. But the very bright red color is also very hard to resist, right? Even though these square G-SHOCK models have different color characters, they still look amazing, right? The Gorillaz series looks more colorful, designed for those of you who are cheerful. Meanwhile, the GW-B5600AR has a black and red neutral color. No doubt, it can be used by anyone, anywhere, and anytime. Finally, if the color of the Gorillaz model is not a problem for you, we recommend buying that model first. Otherwise, you will lose the opportunity. That's it, our comparison between these two G-SHOCK, which is on the rise lately. Write your question in the comments column, and we will respond as soon as possible. We'll be back with many new videos. You can subscribe and ring the bell so we can notify you.